Hey everyone, it's John Battaglia with At Ease Home Inspections. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about the importance of getting your deck inspected regularly, especially if it's an older deck. Today we're up in north of Atlanta inspecting a house, and it has this deck along the front. You can see it stretches the whole length of the front of the house. You come along here, you can see that there's a grill and there's flowers and stuff out on the front of the deck, so people have certainly been using it. But what they probably don't realize is how dangerous this deck really is. We get down underneath here and we start looking at the joists underneath the deck, and you can see these joists are just being held on by nails. They have no support, and then you can see those nails are bent really bad there. We come down here, the top nail up there is actually bent down, and this nail is rusted through, so there's nothing holding that joist up other than the decking above. It's literally just hanging free. If you stepped on that, you could go right through. If we come down here, there's a whole bunch of issues down here. I mean, one, you can see the railing is leaning, which would be enough to make me a little suspect, but if we come down this way, I mean, this is just scary that they've been walking on this deck. These joists are not supported at all. People have been using it. This support post right here the footing has slid down the hill over the years, and it has sunk. It's about moved about 6 inches or so. And you see right there, the top, as it's sunk, they just keep putting blocks of wood in there to make up for the movement of the post. Of course, it's just nailed to the house, not properly attached with bolts. So this is definitely a scary, hazardous deck. No one should be on this deck at all. It could come down literally at any minute, and that's why you want to get a deck inspected on a regular basis. Make sure that it's safe and that repairs are made as needed. This is John Battaglia with At Ease Home Inspections. You can email us or go to our website for any questions you might have about decks. Thanks.